you wanted to wait and win the prizes, and also you can enjoy that this evening will become more memorable for you. Okay, after the event, for example, the very class dance ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Dance after the function, parents please go collect your children from the that side. It is counter is arranged there.
That side it is counter is arranged there. So there only you wanted to collect your children. That is your responsibility. The chief guest arriving. ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ತಟ್ಟೋದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳನ್ನ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ನಾವು. Give them a huge applause. Our honorable guests are arriving now. All the parents to occupy your seats. Please be seated, ma'am. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಪೋಷಕರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಂತಿ, ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷದಂತೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಸಹ ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ತಾವು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರುವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು, ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದು ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕಿ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರುಗಳು ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾವು ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಔಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನೀವು ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ನ ಗೆಲ್ಬೋದು. The entrance, please see there. Vinit sir, please see that. Please clear that now.
tell me how to customize employee experience without adding IT complexity? Huh? Lenovo can transform my digital workplace experience with unified endpoint management and service desk? Plus, I can get everything as a service with TrueScale.
For you, if you feel hungry, please visit the stall. You can pay and you can buy the snacks, water bottles, and everything is arranged there. Within a minute, what our chief guests are coming.
Comes with a memory, and every evening departs with a memory.
ಮನೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆ ತಂದಿದ್ದು ಬಹಳ ವಿಶೇಷ.
But today's which has brought us all here together.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಕನಕಪುರ.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸಮ್ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಕ್ಕ ಪಕ್ಕ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಆಗಿರೋ ಅಂಕಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಂಟೀಸ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. I am Iksha from class 10th.
And I am Mohammad Azim from class 10.
Welcome to 43rd annual day of St. Michael's. I am extremely privileged to have this opportunity to address you all at this important moment. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಇಷ್ಟೇನ ಎನರ್ಜಿ? ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಪ್ಪ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎನರ್ಜಿನೆಲ್ಲ ಬೂಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಕವಿತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸ್, ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸ್, ಇವಾಗ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬೂಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಅಪ್ಪು ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ದೇವರು, ಅಪ್ಪು ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ದೇವರು, ಇವಾಗ ಜೋಶ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜನರು. ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಕವಿತೆ? ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್. Now I would like to introduce my co-host Mohammad Azim.
A pleasant good evening to one and all. It doesn't matter how hectic your day was. You can't admire the beauty of this evening. I hope you're having a good time right now. So, ladies and gentlemen, I am Mohammad Azim. We are with 43rd annual day of St. Michael's to celebrate the success of our students and to show their extreme talent. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome all the audience, respected parents, invitees, dignitaries and well-wishers. So, without wasting our precious time, चलो इस शाम को एक खूबसूरत शायरी से शुरू करते हैं. तो अर्ज किया है
इरशाद इरशाद.
रंग बिरंगी रातें सितारों की बातें,
वाह 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 वाह.
रंग बिरंगी रातें सितारों की बातें, गुनगुनाहट से भरी हर एक दर्शक की दिल की बातें. एक ही तो शायरी. Okay, now once again a very warm welcome to all the amazing individuals who have graced this occasion by their presence. Join us on this remarkable event until the end of this program, and let's make this day a memorable one.
So now, ವಿದ್ಯೆಯು ನಾವು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ನಡೆಸುವಂತೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ನು ವಿದ್ಯೆಗೆ ದೇವರಾದ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ನಾವು ಸರಿ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯುವಂತೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಬ್ರಹ್ಮನ ರಾಣಿ ಶಾರದೆ ದಿನವೂ ಭಜಿಸುವೆ, ವಿದ್ಯೆಯನ್ನಿತ್ತು ಪೊರೆಯಲು ಆರಾಧಿಸುವೆ, ಇಷ್ಟಾರ್ಥ ಸಿದ್ಧಿಗಳ ಬಯಸಲು ಪೂರೈಸುವೆ. ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಸನ್ನಿವೇಶ ಬದಲಾಯಿಸಲು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಯೇ ಸಾಕು. ಸೊ ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಶ್ರೀ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ದೇವಿ ನಿನಗೆ ಅನಂತ ಕೋಟಿ ಪ್ರಣಾಮಗಳು ಎಂದು ಅವಳ ರೂಪ ಲಾವಣ್ಯವನ್ನು ವರ್ಣಿಸಲು ಬರುತ್ತಿರುವ 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಹೃದಯದಿಂದ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
So audience, welcome them with a big round of applause.
Hall.
वीणा पुस्तकदारिणी अभयदा
I extend my heartful thanks to all the students who remember Goddess Saraswati in this program. Next, one song can change a moment, one idea can change the world. One step can start the journey, but a prayer can change the impossible to possible. By saying this, I'm glad to welcome our 8th to 10th students to sing the most beautiful prayer song, that is Joy to the World, on the stage.
ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬು ಹೃದಯದ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಬಯಸೋಣ. Please welcome, sir. Welcome, ma'am. Madhu required. No, I will not use this. We'll use this.
Hello.
Yes, get ready, children. Yes, start.
Let every single king to 10 students who made this evening more delightful.
Education is a passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare it for today. Now, to share us a comprehensive overview of the academic activities undertaken in our school throughout this year with success and dedication by our students, I would like to welcome our Honorable Headmistress, Srimati Vasantamma K. Ma'am, to present school report of the academic year.
Highly inspiring and joyful evening. At the same time, I wish you a blissful new year to each one of you personally. I am here to share with you the annual report of St. Michael's English School to let you know the progress of the current academic year 2023-24 and upcoming major plannings of the academic year 2024-25. To begin with, I welcome all our dignified honorable guests, Sir Shri Basavaraje Gowda, VC, DDPI, Ramanagara District, Ramanagara, Sir Shri Chibi Ramappa, KES Black Education Officer, Kanakapura, Shri Harish Closepet and Mrs. Rashmi Closepet, founder of HCBC, Bangalore, Srimati Ansuya Devi R. Srinivas, the President of Devi Education Society, Shri Bhaskares, the Secretary and Treasurer of Devi Education Society, Srimati Chaitra Bhaskar, Proprietor, Sharvi Textile, Book and Stationery Agency. Our honorable sponsors for SSLC toppers, Mr. Kiran Upadhyaya, Chairman, Uni Chit Funds Private Limited, Bangalore, Mrs. Jumpa Dabeshis, Jyoti Prakash, the Elephant Cyber, Bangalore, Mrs. Chandrakala Shashidhar, Social Worker, Bangalore, for their gracious presence on this beautiful dais to inaugurate the 43rd School Annual Day celebration and share the moments with us. I extend my welcome to all the respected parents of our students, loving staffs and dear students and all other well-wishers who are gathered here. This is the 43rd School Fest of the school. For the next 4 to 5 hours, you will be witnessing the highly spectacular and mind-blowing performances of your children. You will be mesmerized by the skills of our kids. St. Michael's School, Kanakapura has been giving its gracious service to the society for the first 43 years and has brought name and fame in the fields like education, curricular and co-curricular activities like sports, dance, music, arts, moral education, usages of multimedia, and many more talents. It has a long-lasting and stupendous history in SSLC results in the extra years and prizes the students bagged in various competitions at inter-schools, cluster level, taluk level, district level, and also participated up to state level competition. This school has the honor to be the first English medium school established in Kanakapura with permission from the government of Karnataka. Since 1981 till today, the school has served the society by producing highly brilliant and skilled and talented students in all the fields. The motto of the school is to provide a learning opportunity with the language of instruction as English and overall personality development of the students. The management, Devi Education Society, is comprised of members with high potentials. The founder of the society, Shri R. Srinivas, being the film producer, is a stern and busiest personality. Mrs. Ansuya Devi R. Srinivas, Madam, the President of Devi Education Society, who runs the institution with the founder, is a pleasing personality and manages all the processes of the school. She has provided highly neat and tidy atmosphere in the school and the premises. She is very expert in selecting dresses to students for school day. She loves children and takes care about needs of all. The secretary and treasurer of the school, Sri Bhaskar is a highly energetic personality who works round the clock for the upliftment of the school with his daily presence in school. He manages all the activities of the school efficiently. His coordinations in the works field is amazing. He approves the action plan of the school, meets people in authority, visitors, staff, parents, and guides everyone in a pleasing manner. A good leader, and he possesses a wide range of skills like administrative skills, communication, customer service skills, technical skills, analytical, and problem-solving skills. Thus, he is a gift for the humanity and example for youngsters. This beautiful arrangement of school day, what you are seeing is his great planning. Mrs. Chaitra Bhaskar, proprietor of Sharvi Textile Book and Stationery Agency, who is an active personality in her career and an inspiration for us in balancing her career, business, and family. We thank for the quality material supply of uniforms, books, and also responsible for all debates, lawsuits, and taxes their company. School infrastructure. The school and the playground are spread in 1.5 acres of land. There are 26 classrooms, 10 other rooms, including management cabin. Other rooms are meant for reception counter, sports materials, stock room, knowledge center, and server room. Vamusuri also ready for children for library, science lab, and auditorium. All rooms are well equipped and highly spacious with broad windows to let in sufficient light and air. Thus, school stands lovable to all who see it high sanitation facilities. The well-built high walls all around the building, strong gates guarded by security staff, CC cameras placed in and all nook and corner of the building give the vicinity of whereabouts of students, staff, and parents in the school premises. The proximity of Mysore Main Road, BWSSB Road, and Transformer Road helps parents and students move freely with or without vehicles to our school. The vast playground, separate kindergarten, park serves for sports and games. The beautiful high walls around the building, the strong gates and security system provides 100% safety for students. Water supply is available all 24 hours. Very big ground tank and 3 big over tanks provide 3,000 liters of water. RO purified drinking water available for students and staffs. The floor of the school and classrooms reflect the faces with highly cleaned mirror-like surfaces. All students are morally drilled with daily prayers, seminars, yoga classes, and talks by the experts. We have sufficient number of well-equipped staffs. The academic year 23-24, the school was reopened on Monday, 15th May 2023. Opening day was celebrated and new portions begin. Since the day of opening till today, days are passed busily for children enlightenment. All the academic works have done up to date with varieties of activities, pre-test, post-test, formative assessment, exams, competitions, sports and games, celebrating and entertainment. Thus, we have reached up to this day. Every student's birthday celebrations were arranged after prayer and also teachers' birthday celebration and newspaper reading from high school students. Letter writing in inland letter habit was adopted and it is continued in our school. Student of the Month award was given for all the classes every month first week. Our school has adopted an app for parents and students which gives real-time notifications, announcements, class assignments, events, progress report cards, online fee payment, tracking our school buses, view messages, and many updates for parents and students was given. All our schools' day-to-day celebration and programs were uploading in our St. Michael's social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter pages. Follow our all social media platforms and subscribe our school's YouTube channel for academic events and updates. About SSLC result, congratulations to all 76 students who appeared and passed out SSLC exam 2022-23. In the year, there are 23 distinction, 49 first class, 3 second class, and 1 pass class. Now, Taluk toppers. There are 3 members. Sangna Acharya BM got 618 marks out of 625, 98.88%. Vaibhav GP got 617 marks out of 625, 98.72%. Inchara S got 615 marks out of 625, 98.56%. The students who got more than 95% will be awarded with cash prizes. Great platform for the showcasing of the talents of students, Pratibha Karanji program conducted by the government of Karnataka. As every year, students actively participated in school level, Hobli level, Taluk, and district level. Prizes were backed by many students of St. Michael's English School. Higher primary section, Ajita Sumagowda, Samantha. High school section, Siri Gowda, Shivani, Devyashri, and Iksha. Primary section, Yashvi. And Dhanush P participated at district level science drama, got first place at Taluk level. District level Pratibha Karanji, 2 students got first place and 3 students got second place. And our nursery students participated in fancy dress competition. They got prizes also. Purvika, Treya Datta, Dashika Doresala, Dhruva, and Sampada. Sampada and Charvika got prizes in Lord Krishna fancy dress competition. Divyashri, 10th standard, participated in an English essay competition up to state level in National Otters Day. About the sports, separate playground gives facility for the students to play indoor and outdoor games. School annual sports competition for students and parents were conducted in athletics and games. Winners in various competitions was awarded with certificates and prizes. Approximately 700 prizes were distributed for students and for parents 54 prizes were distributed. Parent sports to build self-confidence and healthy participation was conducted 18-11-23 for primary parents, 23-11-23 for nursery parents, and December 2nd for 6th to 10th standard parents. Parents actively participated and inspired their children to build a healthy, competitive mind. 2 games prizes was distributed in school and light breakfast was arranged for parents. And 1 game final was conducted at Municipal High School field on annual day, and lunch was arranged for MHS field for students and parents. Same day, SSLC 22-23 batch 49 first class students was awarded. National festivals, we celebrate all national festivals, state festivals. Remembrance of great personalities is celebrated in school at the right time. Other functions, the following functions were conducted in our school. We have celebrated Mother's Day on 18th of May 2023. Prizes were distributed to students in their respective classes categories. Nursery Purvika, 1st to 4th standard Yashas, 5th to 7th standard group Pranavi Pragna, 8th to 10th standard Lucky Kumari. World Environment Day. Environmental Day was celebrated on 5th June 2023. Sir V. Ganesh, Assistant Conservator of Forest Kanakapura Subdivision, and Sri Dalesh L, Range Forest Officer Kanakapura Range, were the invited dignitaries to address the environmental protection importance to the students. Drawing competition on the theme of environment has been conducted and prizes were distributed to the students of nursery section. The list of winners: Jnanavi, Vaishnavi and Yashika. Drawing competition with yoga theme was conducted by tens and prizes were distributed to the winners from nursery to 10th standard on 10/6/2023. Blood group and its percentage of students from nursery to 10th standard and non-teaching staff from 9th June 23 to 14th June 23 was conducted. Yoga Day was celebrated on 21st June 23. Dr. Banushree, working Kshemavana STM Yoga and Naturopathy Hospital, Bangalore, and alumni of St. Michael English School was invited as a guest to address the importance of yoga in our daily life, and yoga was taught to our students. A career guidance program, Drishti Kona, was conducted for high school students on 24th of June 23, and the invited dignitary was Swami Veereshananda Saraswati, who is president of Ramakrishna Ashram Tumpur, and program was conducted for our school parents also. Doctor's Day was celebrated on 1st of July 2023. Dr. Shashidhar S. and Dr. Nirmala Shashidhar were the invited dignitaries. To improve the writing skills of students, essay competition was conducted with the theme World Population on 12th July 23. An account of International Chess Day competition was conducted to students from 6th standard to 10th standard students. On 15th August 2023, Independence Day was celebrated thoughtfully by remembering the great patriots who sacrificed their life for freedom, and the national flag Tiranga was hoisted by Mahadeva Swami, a retired military commando, with all the respect and great honor. Teachers' Day was celebrated on 5th of September 2023 by the government, and at school it was celebrated on 9th of September 2023. Mr. Venkategowda and Mr. Shivu, who had 10 years of experience, was honored by the management. 12th of September, Grandparents' Day was celebrated, and competitions like cooking without fire, puzzle and drawing competition was conducted, and prizes was given to winners. FA1 and FA2 result day quiz was conducted for primary and higher primary students respectively. Parents are invited for quiz competition. Next, FA4 result day quiz will be conducted for high school students. That time, high school parents also will be invited for competition. On 16th of September, in connection with Ganesha festival, Lord Ganesha molds and designs for Ganesha frame activity was conducted from Itsy Bitsy. On 5th November, Viveka Vidyarthi exam was conducted, and 285 students took part in the examination. 11th of November, SA1 result day, free health checkup for all parents and staff members was arranged. I thank Dr. Hussain from Kaveri Hospital, Bangalore, and Dr. Vijay Kumar from Lions Club for free health checkup was conducted. That is cardiac health awareness camp. during Dasara vacation to cherish the teachers' recreations and relaxing trip to Udupi was arranged from the management from 27th October to 2023. This trip was started with a tea party at Mr. Bhaskar's house with lots of love and respect, which we are all grateful for the continued with the stay of beautiful resort and divine grace of Udupi Lord Krishna, and ended with relaxing and beautiful Malpe beach. Educational excursion was conducted this year. Nursery to third standard students, 2 buses were taken to Innovative Film City, Vidadi, and 23/11/2023, 4th standard to 10th standard, totally 208 students were taken to Wonderla, Vidadi. All students were enjoyed water games and land games. Transportation. 3 school vehicles are plying for transportation. Students up to Uyambali, Gandekere along Ramnagara route and Viardodi along Kabbal route. Already 62 students are coming by school bus. Human resource. This is well maintained by Headmistress Mrs. Vasantamma K, Assistant Headmistress Mrs. Geeta SM, and Assistant Headmaster Mr. Madhu Kumar BV, and Senior Teacher Ms. Gundama KT and Mrs. Sushila KV. Well educated and well trained 40 staff members and 28 non-teaching staff in our school. Altogether there are 70 staffs, including 5 office staff, drivers, cleaners, and 14 ayahs to assist students cleaning purposes, and 6 housekeeping ayahs to keep up the sanitation of toilets. Additional classes are band set, karate, spoken classes, yoga, handwriting, dance classes by different faculties. Thus, the school is well equipped with excellent human resource infrastructure with beautiful building at the center of Kanakapura town. Swachh Vidyalaya Puraskar award was given to our school with rating norms very good. Upcoming programs are Republic Day celebration on 26th of this month. Saraswati Puja will be celebrated before final examination to get blessings of spirituality, peace, purity, and excel in all aspects in life. SSLC Examination Board has selected our school as an examination center. All the education activities are carried out as per the rules and regulations of the Education Department. Shri Basavaraje Gowda, VC, DDPI, Ramanagara District, Ramanagara, and Honorable Shri Ramappa Chibi, the Block Education Officer in Kanakapura Taluk, looks after the academic needs of the school, giving personal interest. We are highly thankful on the cooperation and care given by the permission, periodical renewal of recognition and approval of all the works of the school. They are happy with SSLC result and administration and functioning of the school. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Jai St. Michael's.
Have never yet been invented. So my heartfelt thanks for our Honorable Headmistress Srimati Vasantamma K. Ma'am for giving a brief information about school report. Thank you, Ma'am. Guests are very important in a program because they need to feel valued and respected. It shows that you recognize and acknowledge them as individuals.
Coming together is a blessing, staying together is a progress, and working together is success. By saying this, let's welcome Divya and Inchara from class 10 to give welcome speech on this program.
Give them a big round of applause.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Inchara from class 10th.
And I am Divya from class 10th. You all know that today we are here to celebrate the 43rd annual day of St. Michael's.
So let our annual day celebration be a day to remember, a day to cherish, and a day to inspire.
Today we are here to welcome you all for this beautiful evening. It's our pleasure to welcome you all.
There is a saying, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. By saying this, so now let's watch the video of Honorable Chief Guest Shri Basavaraje Gowda VC, DDPI of Ramanagara District. So let's watch the VT. Play the VT please. ಆಡಳಿತ ರಾಮನಗರ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ. ಇವರು ದಿನಾಂಕ 18/7/1956ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಗ್ರಹಾರ ವರಗೇರಹಳ್ಳಿ ಚನ್ನಪಟ್ಟಣ ತಾಲೂಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಚೌಡೇಗೌಡ ಮತ್ತು ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ತಾಯಮ್ಮ ಅವರ ಮಗನಾಗಿ ಜನಿಸಿದರು. ಇವರು ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ಸ್ವಗ್ರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರೌಢಶಾಲೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ಅಕ್ಕೂರು, ಹೊಸಹಳ್ಳಿ, ಚನ್ನಪಟ್ಟಣ ತಾಲೂಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ, ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ಸರಕಾರಿ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಚನ್ನಪಟ್ಟಣ ಹಾಗೂ ಪದವಿಯನ್ನು ಕುವೆಂಪು ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ, B.Ed ಅನ್ನು ಮಾನಸ ಗಂಗೋತ್ರಿ ಮೈಸೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಸಿದರು. ದಿನಾಂಕ 13/1/1994ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯೋಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯರಾಗಿ ಸರಕಾರಿ ಪ್ರೌಢಶಾಲೆ ಒಂಗನೂರು, ಚನ್ನಪಟ್ಟಣ ತಾಲೂಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಪ್ರಥಮವಾಗಿ ಸೇವೆಗೆ ಸೇರಿದರು. ನಂತರ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಗ್ರಾಮಾಂತರ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಸಂಯೋಜನಾ ಸಮನ್ವಯ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ಚನ್ನಪಟ್ಟಣ, ಹೊಸಕೋಟೆ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಉತ್ತರ ವಲಯ 2, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ವಲಯ 2, ದೇವನಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಉಪನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾಗಿ ರಾಮನಗರ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 3/8/2023ರಿಂದ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರು ಸ್ನೇಹಜೀವಿಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದು ತಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ವರ್ಗದವರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ನಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾರೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಇವರ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಪ್ರಗತಿ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ 20 ಅಂಶಗಳ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಈ ವರ್ಷದ 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ರೂಪಿಸಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವರ ಅದ್ಭುತ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆ ಸಾಧನೆಯನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಕರುನಾಡ ರತ್ನ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಗೌರವಿಸಿದೆ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಯು ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅವರ್ 43rd annual day of St. Michael's. Once again we welcome you sir.
ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಎದುರಾಗುವ ಕಷ್ಟಗಳನ್ನು ಸವಾಲಾಗಿ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸು. ಗೆದ್ದರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಸಾಗುವೆ, ಸೋತರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪಾಠ ಕಲಿಯುವೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಕನಕಪುರ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ರಾಮಪ್ಪರವರ ಕಿರುಪರಿಚಯದ ಚಿತ್ರೀಕರಣವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಬರೋಣ. ವಿಟಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. Thank you for the VT. Now I'd like to request our Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Ramappa Sir, to acquire the seat on the dais. A warm full welcome to you, sir.
With a huge applause.
Give them a big round of applause.
To welcome them.
ಶ್ರೀ ರಾಮಪ್ಪ ಬಿಜಿ, ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್, ಕನಕಪುರ. ಇವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಿರು ಪರಿಚಯ. ಶ್ರೀ ರಾಮಪ್ಪ ಬಿಜಿ ಅವರು ಶ್ರೀ ಬನ್ನಪ್ಪ ಹಾಗೂ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಹನುಮಕ್ಕರವರ ಮಗನಾಗಿ ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಿಸಿದರು. ಇವರು MA, MEd ಹಾಗೂ KES ಪದವಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 1999ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಪ್ರೌಢಶಾಲೆ ಉಡುಪಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯೋಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯರಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ವೃತ್ತಿ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಆರಂಭಿಸಿದರು. ನಂತರ 2001ರಿಂದ 2011ರವರೆಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ತರಬೇತಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ನೆಲಮಂಗಲ, ಮಂಡ್ಯ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 2011ರಿಂದ 2016ರವರೆಗೆ BRC ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟರ್, KR-ಪೇಟೆ, ಮಂಡ್ಯ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 2017ರಿಂದ 2019ರವರೆಗೆ ವಿಷಯ ಪರಿವೀಕ್ಷಕರಾಗಿ DDPI ಕಚೇರಿ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ದಕ್ಷಿಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 2019ರಿಂದ 2023ರವರೆಗೆ ಡಯಟ್ ಮಂಡ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ದಿನಾಂಕ 4/12/2023ರಿಂದ ಕನಕಪುರ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. It's our pleasure that such a great person is being part of our annual day. Once again, our delightful welcome to you, sir.
Achievement seems to be connected with action. Successful men and women keep moving. They make mistakes, but they don't quit. By saying this, so let's watch the video of our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Arish Klospet, sir, who is the founder of Itsy Bitsy Company. Play the VT, please.
सोसाइटी ऐसा सोचता है कि हर घर में मैन इज मेन इंजन और जो पीछे फैमिली जो होता है वो डब्बा है. मेरा घर में अलग है. मेरा बीवी और बच्चे सब इंजन है और मैं पीछे का डब्बा हूँ. इसलिए मैं डब्बा का काम करता हूँ. मेरा नाम हरीश क्लोसपेट है. मैं रोज मेरा बेटी के लिए लंच बॉक्स बनाता था. सो जब ईशा की कॉलेज का लास्ट डे था तो मुझे लगा कल से लंच बॉक्स का क्या होगा.
Now, I would request our Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Arish Klospet, sir, to acquire the seat on the stage. A warm full welcome to you, sir. Mr. Arish was born and brought up in the business family of Bengaluru. He earned his degree in civil engineering in Bengaluru. Mr. Arish has always been enthusiastic, happy and positive in his outlook, never missing an opportunity to plan ahead of time. Arish lived overseas with his wife and two beautiful daughters for more than 12 years. The couple decided to come back to Bangalore with a vision of employing rural women and empowering them in the year 2004. They packed their bags and landed in the city, which they left to pursue their dreams. The couple set up a small manufacturing facility with about 40 women with his determination, knowledge and diverse experience. Harish has been extremely successful in establishing their business, Itsy Bitsy, in a popular art and crafts place shopping destination for creative enthusiasts of all ages. Always enthusiastic about following his passion, he started his Instagram handle Harry Lunchbox with his daughter Isha. That's not all. Arish recently earned recognition for his cooking skills when he participated in MasterChef India Season 8 2023 and secured his position as a finalist. Mr. Harish is a remarkable personality who teaches no matter how small in the beginning, determination and hard work are bound to lead the road to success. Mr. Harish had his Itsy Bitsy company at all over the country. Also soon, he will start one of the Itsy Bitsy branch at Kanakpura also. We welcome you, sir, for this pleasant evening. A warm full welcome to you, sir. Women being all places where decisions are being made. It shouldn't be the women that are exceptions. By saying this, I would like to request to play the video of Srimati Rashmi Harish Klospet, who is the co-founder of Itsy Bitsy Company. So let's watch the VT.
Good morning, guys. This is Harish, that's Rashmi. We're the founders of Itsy Bitsy, and we're here today to share a very, very exciting news with you guys, and I'm sure you're gonna love it.
15 years ago, we started Itsy Bitsy, and we have received so much of love and support from you. We wanted to take, art and craft to every corner of India and bring in a lot of happiness. And I think we have made considerable progress there.
And you know what we've seen, every day we're getting requests for something which you all know, and now we are going to make this big announcement. And what is it?
We have now rolled out franchise.
That means you all can open an Itsy Bitsy store and own a piece of this creative world.
Thank you for the VT. We request you, ma'am, to occupy the respected seat on the dais. A warm full welcome to you, ma'am.
Give them a big round of applause.
Rashmi was born in Bengaluru and spent most of his childhood in the Garden City. She pursued a pre-university and a bachelor's degree in homeopathy. Rashmi is married to Mr. Harish Closepet and they have 2 beautiful daughters. She was actively involved in sports like volleyball, throwball, kho-kho in school and enjoyed taking part in extracurricular activities like plays, dance performance, quiz, etc. During the initial years of her career, she practiced as a homeopathy doctor. After marriage, she and Mr. Harish moved to Singapore and then to Australia to pursue their career. After spending 10 years in abroad, she and Harish moved back to Bangalore in 2007 and started their dream company. She is the co-founder of and creative head of Itsy Bitsy and guides the entire team in different ways. Itsy Bitsy, that started as a neighborhood craft store, now is a chain of 39 stores pan-India and still counting. That's not all. Rashmi and Harish have never failed to do their social duty. Their focus is to provide employment to rural India women to make their lives better. Their companies employ more than 3,000 rural women and look forward to train and include more women to their team as the business grows. They also run an orphanage on the outskirts of Bengaluru. Rashmi is an inspiration for the women of modern India. She continues to motivate young girls to pursue their dreams and look what they do. Dedication, positive outlooks and determination is what helped the couple reach their goal and spread the way of hope among the less privileged. We welcome you, ma'am, for the 43rd annual day of St. Michael's. A very pleasant welcome to you, ma'am.
Women change the conversation. Women change the game. Women change the world. By saying this, we would like to welcome Srimati Ansuya Devi R. Srinivas ma'am, who is the president of Devi Education Society. Now it's time to watch a short VT on Srimati Ansuya Devi R. Srinivas ma'am. So please play the VT. Thank you for the VT. The woman who is supporting our school in all-round development who is the backbone of our school, it is none other than the President of Devi Education Society, Srimati Ansuya Devi R. Srinivas ma'am. We will be thankful to you, ma'am. I heartily request you, ma'am, to occupy the respected seat on the stage. A warm full welcome to you, ma'am. There is a saying that keep your face always towards the sunshine and a shadow will fall behind you. By saying this, let's watch the video of Honorable Secretary of St. Michael's, Shri Bhaskar S. Sir. Please play the VT. Thank you for the VT. Now I would like to welcome the Honorable Secretary of St. Michael's, Shri Bhaskar S. Sir, who plays the main role in our school, the man who is handling the school very perfectly from past 13 years and also the main pillar of our school. We will be grateful to you, sir. I'd like to welcome you, sir, to take the respected seat on the dais. Once again, our pleasantful welcome to you, sir.
There is a saying, behind every successful man there will be a woman. By saying this, I request to play the video of Srimati Chaitra Bhaskar ma'am, who is the proprietor of Sharvi Textiles Books and Stationery Agency. So let's watch the VT. We would like to welcome Srimati Chaitra Bhaskar ma'am, who is the proprietor of Sharvi Textiles Books and Stationery Agency, who provide us books and stationery of good quality from past few years. We will be grateful to you, ma'am, for your service and cooperation. We request you, ma'am, to acquire the seat on the stage. Once again, a warm full welcome you, ma'am, for St. Michael's Annual Day.
Every year we will honor the 10 standard toppers by giving cash prize. For that we have sponsors like Mr. Kiran Upadhyaya sir, United Private Limited, Bengaluru.
Just welcoming, that's all. Not
Chandrakala Shashidhar, social worker, Bengaluru. Srimati Jumpa Dabashish, Jyoti Prakash, the Elephant Cyber, Bengaluru. My delightful welcome to all of you on this wonderful event. Once again, I welcome you all. ಉತ್ತಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವು ಯಾರನ್ನಾದರೂ ಬದಲಾಯಿಸಬಹುದು. ಉತ್ತಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ಬದಲಾಯಿಸಬಹುದು ಎಂದು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಮ ತಪ್ಪುಗಳನ್ನು ತಿದ್ದಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯುವಂತೆ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಪಾತ್ರವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯೋಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯಿನಿಯಾದ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ವಸಂತಮ್ಮ ಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ರವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ 43ನೇ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವಕ್ಕೆ ಮನದಾಳದ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
A teacher fills the role of second mother by providing love, care and support to our students. ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಅಚ್ಚುಮೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಉಪಮುಖ್ಯೋಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯಿನಿಯಾದ ಗೀತಾ SM ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ರವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿ ಅವರ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ತನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಂತೆ ಭಾವಿಸುವ 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ವರ್ಗ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಿಯಾದ ಗೀತಾ SM ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ರವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತಗಳು. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಅ ವಾರ್ಮ್ ಫುಲ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಒಂದು ಮಗು, ಒಬ್ಬ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ, ಒಂದು ಪೆನ್, ಒಂದು ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಜಗತ್ತನ್ನೇ ಬದಲಾಯಿಸಬಹುದು. By saying this, I'd like to welcome our Assistant Headmaster, Shri Madhukumar BM sir, on this beautiful evening. Once again, my heartful welcome to you, sir.
He's coming.
Once again, I welcome you, sir.
Teachers play the important and major role in students' life. They will be supportive and encourage us to achieve something. By saying this, I would like to welcome all my beloved faculties to our annual day. Once again, we welcome you all.
The person who are directly or indirectly supporting this program, my heartful welcome to all the non-teaching staffs of St. Michael's for this beautiful evening. Once again, I welcome you all.
ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿರುವ 43ನೇ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವಕ್ಕೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಲು ತಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಗಮಿಸಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಪೋಷಕರಿಗೆ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತೇನೆ. We welcome you all.
We would also like to welcome the securities, bouncers and the police constables who are supporting and cooperating with the management at this 43rd annual day of St. Michael's. A warm full welcome to you all.
We also like to welcome our photographer Shri Dharani sir and his team from Minsu Studio who capture beautiful memories on this special occasion and make the occasion more memorable. We welcome you all.
Today we are at this beautiful stage because of Pawan sir and his team. We will be grateful to you, sir, for this beautiful elevation and sound system. We will also be like to welcome you all on the 43rd annual day of St. Michael's. Once again, our pleasant welcome to you, sir. Last but not the least, the bright stars of these programs are students of St. Michael's. I heartily welcome all the performers on this beautiful evening.
Thank you everyone for this beautiful opportunity on this big stage.
Thank you for everyone who had gathered here. We will be always grateful to the management for giving the beautiful opportunity.
Once again, a warm full welcome to everyone
on the 43rd annual day of St. Michael's.
Take it, quick.
A smile is the universal welcome. So my heartful thanks for Divya and Nichirao for welcoming and giving a brief designation and a brief background of our guests. Deepam Jyoti Parabrahma, Deepam Jyoti Janardana, ದೀಪೋ ಮೇ ಹರತು ಪಾಪಂ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ ದೀಪ ತಲೆ ಕಳೆಯಲಿ ಎಂಬ ನುಡಿಮುತ್ತನ್ನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆರೆದಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಗಣ್ಯರನ್ನು ದೀಪ ಬೆಳಗಿಸಲು ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. Give them a big round of applause.
ಆರೋಗ್ಯಂ ಧನ ಸಂಪದಃ ಶುಭಂ ಕುರುತ್ವಂ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಂ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಂ ಧನ ಸಂಪದಃ ಶತ್ರು ಬುದ್ಧಿ ವಿನಾಶಾಯ दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः 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 शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः धनसम्पदः सम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
I would like to thank all the guests who led this slam together.
No matter how good a person you are, there will always be someone criticizing you. By saying this, I like to welcome our Honorable Chief Guest, Basavaraje Gowda sir, who is the Deputy Director of Public Instruction of Ramnagara District, to deliver a speech in this beautiful moment.
ಪಟ್ಟಣದ ಸಹೃದಯ ಪೋಷಕ ಸನ್ಮಿತ್ರರೇ, ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿರಿಯರೇ, ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತರೇ, ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳೇ, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಭಾಸ್ಕರ್ ಅವರೇ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ತಾಯಿಯವರೇ, ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಮದುವೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆಯೇನೋ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿಯಾಯಿತು ನನಗೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 9 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ ಸುಮಾರು ಈಗ 5:05 ಬರ್ಕು ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರು ಇವ್ರು ಪಾಪ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂತ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಪುರುಷೋತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಏನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಶಾಲೆ ಈ ತಾಲೂಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಶಾಲೆ. ಈ ಶಾಲೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಓದಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯವಂತರು ಮತ್ತು ನೀವು ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯರು. ನನ್ನ ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋವಾಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ವಿವಿಧ ಹಂತದ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ದವರು. ನಮ್ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರಿಗುಡಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲೇ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. 1 to 5 ಮಾರಿಗುಡಿ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ, ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಮೇಷ್ಟ್ರು ಅಪ್ಪಾಜಿಗೌಡ ಅಂತ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸೋಗಾಲಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ್ವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ರೂಮು, 1ರಿಂದ 7ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸು, 3 ಜನ ಮೇಷ್ಟ್ರುಗಳು, ಸಿ ಚೆನ್ನೇಗೌಡರು, ಬೋರೇಗೌಡರು, ಲಿಂಗಪ್ಪ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ವಿ, ಅಕ್ಕೂರಸಹಳ್ಳಿ, ಚನ್ನಪಟ್ಟಣ ತಾಲೂಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶೆಡ್ಡು, ಗರಿ ಶೆಡ್ಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲು, RCC ಅಲ್ಲ, 4 ರೂಮು. ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ನಾವೇ ತೆಗಿನ ಗರಿಯನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಂಬರ್ಬೇಕು, ಎಣಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಕಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಚನ್ನಪಟ್ಟಣ. ಹೀಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಶಾಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು KPSC ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಒಂದು ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಬಂಧುಗಳೇ, ನಾವೇನಾದರೂ ಆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಥ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿದರೆ ನಾವೊಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ AS ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ನೋ, ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ನೋ, ಅಥವಾ ಅಮೇರಿಕಾ ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನನಗೆ ಮೇಷ್ಟ್ರೇ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಪಾಠ ಕಲಿತ ದಿನಗಳಿದೆ. ಹಲಗೆ ಬಳಪ, ನೀವು ಈಗ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ, ಹಲಗೆ ಬಳಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. LKG UKGಗೆ ಪೇಪರು ಪೆನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕೂರಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಲಗೆ ಬಳಪವನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿದು 4ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತನಕ ಬರೀ ಹಲಗೆ ಬಳಪ, 1-2 ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅವತ್ತಿನ ಪ್ರಚಲಿತ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಪ್ರಚಲಿತ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಬೌದ್ಧಿಕ ಮತ್ತು ಜ್ಞಾನ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ತಕ್ಕಂತೆ ಜ್ಞಾನೋದಯನವನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾದಾನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಬರಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಪ್ರಚಲಿತ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆ, ಪ್ರಚಲಿತ ರೇಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಅಣಿಗೊಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಮಗು 80% ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಗು 90% ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಗಳು 99% ಅಂತ ಅಂತದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಬೆಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜು, ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಗೌರವ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, SLC 98% ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, PUCಲಿ ಫೇಲಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು, ಯಾರೇ ಯಾವ ಶಾಲೆ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಮೊರಿಯನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ನಾವು ಏನು ಓದ್ತೀವಿ, ಹೇಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಏನಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಓದ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಕಲಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಬರೀ ಕೇವಲ ಪುಸ್ತಕದ ಜ್ಞಾನದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಉನ್ನತ ಹುದ್ದೆಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಉನ್ನತ ಅಧಿಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ತಪ್ಪು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇವತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೇ ಘನ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಸರ್ವತೋಮುಖ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ, ಅದು ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಶಾಲೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅನುದಾನಿತ ಶಾಲೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅನುದಾನ ರಹಿತ ಶಾಲೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ತರದ ಆಟೋಟ ಪಾಠಗಳಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಪ್ರತಿಭಾ ಕಾರಂಜಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ವಿಜ್ಞಾನೋಪಕರಣಗಳ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಚೆಸ್ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಗಳು, ಕರಾಟೆ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಗಳು, ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟು, ಎಲ್ಲ ತರಬೇತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋದರ ಮೂಲಕ ಸರ್ವತೋಮುಖ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಅಣಿಗೊಳಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಯೋಜನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದೆ, ಈ ಶಾಲೆ 83ರಲ್ಲೇ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದನೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಸುಮಾರು 43 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ನೀಡುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ಈ ಪಟ್ಟಣದ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ತಾಲೂಕಿನ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ, ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾದಾನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಇವತ್ತು ವಿವಿಧ ಇವರು ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ನನಗನ್ನಿಸ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವರು ವಿ ಟಿ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು, ಈ ಶಾಲೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬರದೇ ಹೋಗಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರದ್ದೊಂದು ವಿ ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ. ಯಾಕೆಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪೋಷಕರಿಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ, ಪೋಷಕರಿಗೆ ಅದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿ ಅವ್ನು ರಾಜಕೀಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಟೀಚರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಲಾಯರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಂಥ ಮಕ್ಕಳದು 1-2 ವಿ ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಇತರ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕೋರ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ, ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಬಂಧುಗಳೇ, ನೀವು ಇವತ್ತು ಭಾಷಣ ಕೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ನೃತ್ಯ, ಗಾನ, ಸಂಗೀತ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬಣ್ಣ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಣ್ಣ ಅಳಿಸೋದ್ರೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಬೆಳಕಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಸಮಯವನ್ನು ನಾನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ. ನಾನೊಬ್ಬ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಇಲಾಖೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 72 ದಿವಸ SLC ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ನು 72 ದಿವಸದೊಳಗಡೆ ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟು 100ಕ್ಕೆ 100 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಈಗ 43 ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅದು 90 ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಕೋರ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ, ಈ ಭಗವಂತ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮಾಡಲಿ. ನನ್ನ ಫೋಟೋ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಡುಕಿದ್ರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವರು ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಡುಕೊಂಬಂದ್ರು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ದಾಗ ಇವ್ರು ನಾನು ಕೇಳಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಫೋಟೋಗಳಿದ್ದೋ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೆ, ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದಿದ್ರೆ. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಹುಡುಗರು ಫೋಟೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದೋ. ನಾನು ಕಬಡ್ಡಿ ಆಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೆ, ವಾಲಿಬಾಲ್, ಆವಾಗಿನ ವೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಇದೆ, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. ಹಾಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಫೋಟೋ ಅಂತ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಹುಡುಗ, ನಾನು 18 ವರ್ಷದ ಹುಡುಗನ ಫೋಟೋ ಕೊಡುವೆ, ನಾನು 60 ವರ್ಷದ ಮುದುಕನ ಫೋಟೋ ಹಾಕವ್ರೆ. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಜಾರಾಯ್ತದಪ್ಪ, ಏನು ಇಂಥವ್ರು ಫೋಟೋ ಹಾಕೋರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇವರು ಅಂತ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಟೈಮನ್ನು ನಾನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳ, ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ, ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅಂಕಗಳನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನಾನು ಮಾತು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a gift and not giving it. By saying this, I would like to thank our honorable chief guest, Basavaraja Gowda sir, for igniting our minds by his valuable speech.
Education is the key to success. So now I would like to welcome our honorable chief guest, Mr. Harish Closepet, who is the founder of Itsy Bitsy Company, Bangalore, to speak a few words in this movement.
ಹಲೋ, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ? ಏನು ನೀವು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆನೇ ತಟ್ಟೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಗ್ಲಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ತಟ್ಟಬೇಕಪ್ಪ. ಸೂಪರ್. ಈ ಥರ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನನಗೂ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕೆ ಒಂದು ಮೂಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮು ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ 1 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನಗನ್ನಿಸ್ತು, ನಾನು 1ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಂದ 10ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತನಕ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಇವರು 1 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲು. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಐ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಸೇ ಭಾಸ್ಕರ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ಅ ರಿಯಲಿ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಜಾಬ್. ಭಾಸ್ಕರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಬಾಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಮಗೂ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಥರ ಅವರು ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಇರೋ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ನಾಪಾ ವ್ಯಾಲಿ ಅಂತ, ಭಾಸ್ಕರು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಿರಣ್ ಒಂದು ರಾಮ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ್ ಅಂತಾರ. ಅವರಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೊಸೈಟಿನೇ ನಡೆಯಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ Bhaskar's energy resonates in all of you. I see very good vibes in this institution, and I think the direction is fantastic. I think every one of you, you're going to be somebody in life. That's definitely assured. So now ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ನೀವಿವಾಗ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಷನ್ನು, ಇಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸು, ಪಾಸು ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಕೊನೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟು, ಪಾಸ್ ಆದವ್ನು ನಾನೇ. ಬಟ್ ಹಂಗೂ ಹಿಂಗೂ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನೋ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ಒಂದು ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮಷ್ಟು ಹೋರಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್? ಹೋರಾಟ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಸೊ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೋರಾಟ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕರಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್, ದ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ you've got in this institution is incredible. I think you have to, do everything and don't be afraid of trying new things. Now I am 58 years old and I went to MasterChef. So my mindset has always been try new things and always do something which is different. So Nanu and wife, when we wanted to come back from Australia, we always saw there is a large gap between rich and poor in India. And of course, one person can't do anything. We thought we'll do our contribution in giving work to rural women in India. And we saw a lot of talent with these rural women. So hangagi Kanakpurage ನಾವು ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ 15 ವರ್ಷದ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ಹೂವದ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಮಣಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಯಾರಿಗಾನ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ? ಯಾರಿಗಾನ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ನೈಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಮೊದಲು ಚಾಮರಾಜನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೇಲಿಯಾದಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಪರ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇವನು ಹುಚ್ಚ ಅಂತ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೇನೋ ಹೂವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಂತೆ ಅಂದರು. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಒಂದು ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ 10 ಕೋಟಿ ಹೂವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರರ್. ಸೊ ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನು ಕಲಿಬೋದು ನೀವು ಅಂದರೆ, ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನು ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಬಿಲೀಫ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಿಲೀಫ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಹೂವು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು 10 ಕೋಟಿ ಹೂವು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಕಟ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಬಿಲೀಫು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೊಡೋವಂಥ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ, ಭಾಳ ಎಮೋಷ್ನಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ, ನಾನು ಓದಿದ್ದು ಸ್ಕೂಲು ಫೌಂಡರ್ ಹೆಸರು ಅನ್ಸೂಯ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಭಾಳ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಮೋಷ್ನಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆದರ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ, ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೇ ನೀವು ಮುಂದೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದು. ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈ ಭಾಸ್ಕರ್ ಅವರು ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಈ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋದು ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. I think Bhaskar, you have done a great job. So thank you very much guys. I'm sure somewhere we'll meet across, because ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಾನು 58 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಶೆಫ್ಗೆ ಹೋದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು 68 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೇನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್. Have a great life going ahead and thanks for inviting me and having me here. Thank you.
Your speech was not just a presentation, but a gift of knowledge and motivation. By saying this, I would like to thank our honorable chief guest, Harish Closepet sir, for his valuable speech.
Beauty attracts the eye, but personality captures the heart. By saying this, I would like to welcome our honorable chief guest, Mr. G.B. Ramappa sir, KES, our honorable block education officer of Kanakpura, to speak a few words on this occasion.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಂಜೆ. ಈ ಸಂಜೆಯ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರಾಮನಗರ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಉಪನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದಂತಹ ಬಸವರಾಜಗೌಡ ಸರ್ ಅವರೇ, ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಎಜುಕೇಷನನ್ನು ನೀಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಕನಕ್ಪುರದ ಹೆಸರಾಂತ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಾದಂತಹ ಮೈಕಲ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಮಾಲೀಕರು, ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶಕರು, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವದ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಭಾಸ್ಕರ್ ಅವರೇ, ಹಾಗೂ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರೇ, ಪೋಷಕರೇ, ಪುಟಾಣಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಯಾರು ಭಾಷಣ ಕೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಎರಡು ಮಾತಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಏನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಆ ಜ್ಞಾನದ ಹಸಿವೇನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀಗಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಇದೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಸಮಯವನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಳೀತಾರೆ. ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೀತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂಶಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮೈಗೂಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನು ಮೇಲ್ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ದಾರಿದೀಪ ಮನೆ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಪೋಷಕರ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಪೋಷಕರ ನಡವಳಿಕೆಗಳು, ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಗಳು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅನುಕರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರೀತಿಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪೋಷಕರಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಗೃತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆಂತಂದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಇಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಅಂತ ಭಾವಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಖಂಡಿತ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿತವಾಗಿ ನಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ. ಆದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಪೋಷಕರಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಏಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಈ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ಇದೆ, ಪ್ರಪಂಚದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅವರ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವನೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಪೋಷಕರು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಲೇಬೇಕು. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಾವು ಪೋಷಕರು ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಕರೆದು ಎರಡು ಮಾತಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
In the presence of your words, the silence becomes meaningful. By saying this, I would like to thank our Honorable Chief Guest, Ramappa Sir, for his powerful speech. Saying thank you is more than a good manner. It is a good spirituality. By saying this, let's welcome Sayyida Misbah and Nisha Wesley to appeal vote of thanks.
Gratitude is the fairest blossom which springs from the soul. And today, as we gather here, let us sow the seeds of appreciation for the moments shared and the efforts extended. I am Sayyida Misbah.
And I am Nisha Wesley.
We express our sincere thanks to each one of you for being a part of this wonderful evening.
Is the way on which we build our future towards success. By saying this, ladies and gentlemen, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Chief Guest Sri Basavaraja Gowda VC, the Deputy Director of Public Instruction of Ramanagara District. We are truly honored to have you here today. Your insightful words have motivated both students and staff alike. We are grateful for the guidance you provide, and we look forward to continuing our collaborative efforts to enhance the quality of education in our district. Once again, we thank you so much, sir.
Education is a powerful tool for transforming lives and building nations. By saying this, I heartily thank you to our Honorable Chief Guest Sri Ramappa, our Honored Block Education Officer, for gracing our annual function with his presence. His unwavering support to education have been instrumental. We are truly grateful for his inspiring leadership and dedication to the betterment of education. Once again, thank you so much, sir.
The journey of 1,000 ideas begins with the vision of a single founder. Ladies and gentlemen, I extend my heartfelt honorable thanks to Chief Guest Sri Harish Klosped, the visionary founder of Itsy Bitsy and the Master Chef of India in 2023. for gracing our annual function with his presence. Your creativity and dedication have enriched our culinary experiences and inspired countless individuals. Once again, thank you so much, sir.
Success is the sum of all efforts, repeated day in and day out. By saying this, I extend my heartfelt thanks to Honorable Chief Guest Srimati Rashmi Harris Clospet, the co-founder of Itsy Bitsy, for her invaluable contributions and dedication. Her vision has been instrumental in shaping the success of this venture, and we are truly grateful for her leadership and passion. Once again, I heartily thank you, ma'am.
Leading with purpose, inspiring with vision.
The president of our school shapes tomorrow's leaders today.
A special thank you to Srimati Anusaya Devi R. Srinivas ma'am, the esteemed president of Devi Education. Your leadership and passion for nurturing a holistic learning environment have been instrumental. We are really grateful for your tireless efforts in steering the educational journey towards excellence. Once again, I heartily thank you, ma'am.
The heart of a school beats in the quiet efficiency of its secretary. By saying this, I extend my sincere thanks to Shri Bhaskar sir, the dedicated secretary of St. Michael's English School. Your commitment to fostering and enriching educational environment is truly commendable. We appreciate your guidance and efforts in shaping the path of our students. Once again, I heartily thank you, sir.
Self-belief and hard work will always earn you success. By saying this, I extend my warmest thanks to Srimati Chaitra Bhaskar ma'am, the proprietor of Shravi Textiles, Books and Stationery Agencies. Thank you, ma'am, for gracing our annual function in spite of your busy schedule. Your commitment to our school community is truly appreciated, and your presence has added immense value to this event. Once again, thank you so much, ma'am.
Guiding minds with wisdom, a headmistress shapes futures within the walls of knowledge. By saying this, a heartfelt thank you to Srimati Vasantamma K. ma'am, our esteemed headmistress. Your leadership, wisdom and nurturing spirit have been the guiding light for both students and staff. We express our deepest gratitude for your tireless dedication to academic excellence and character building. Once again, thank you so much, ma'am.
To call Shri Manjunath, the CRP of Kanakpura. So I would like to welcome you on the stage, sir.
Please welcome you, sir.
Now, I would like to welcome Sri Rudra Muni, ECO of Kanakpura. We welcome you, sir.
Learning is the treasure that follows its owner everywhere. By saying this, I express profound gratitude and heartfelt thanks to Geeta ma'am and Madhu sir, our invaluable assistant HMs. Your tireless efforts, commitment and support play a pivotal role in the smooth functioning of our school. Once again, I heartily thank you both to overall growth of our students.
Thanks a lot. Fans Cyber Bangalore, we welcome you, ma'am. Your presence adds immense value to this celebration of achievements and milestones. Let's know about Mrs. Jimpa Debash Jyoti Prakash through the screen. Let's VT please.